are welcome back to my channel. Subscribe to my channel before we go. You are welcome back. I used to tell you that if you want to enjoy sharpening of the clipper blade very well, you want to know much about sharpening stone, you want to know how to fashion out beautiful sharpening surface on the super hard manner sharpening stone, you want to know how to sharpen, correct sharpen, professional sharpen different type of clipper blades so far in this world. Assuming this is your phone and you want to subscribe, follow me up now. Videos. Now I want to show you how to subscribe into my channel. Press the notification button and you can see all films I have produced, including the old ones, so that you can be able to go back and watch them. I used to say go back to my channel, watch my old films. You are going to benefit, gain advantage of 80% knowledge from there. Can you see? When you are watching my film, look down part of my film by the right hand side. You will see where the right subscribe. Can you see? Press it down. When you press it down, you have subscribed. That is the meaning. After the subscription, you will now see the bell. You press it again, it will now change into 4 bells. Can you see it? The one at the top, write AWL painted in white. You now press it. Can you see? You have subscribed now. You have gotten the access to see all my YouTube videos. Can you see? If you want to go to my channel, see where I press my logo. That logo I press, you now take it to my page. When you get to my page, you now press video. Under the video, you see the whole videos there. But if you just press video, you see all my videos here. Can you see? I'm scrolling all, going on, trying to see the film by the Honda. That is what I'm trying to do now. Can you see? Those are the films I have produced. There are many. Those are the films I have produced. They are many. Those are the films I have produced. Be watching them one by one after the other. Continue watching. You will see them different types. That is why I am saying, when you subscribe to my channel, you press the notification button, then you get back to my whole film. You can be able to see different type of film I have produced in the previous. From there, you watch all the questions you design down, all the type of questions you design down. My video will answer to your question. When you get to my own film, you have just little things you call me. You cannot even call me much. I'm telling you sincerely. You cannot call me much because any question you want to ask, look the topic of my videos. You see the one that answer your question there. I design my videos down to answer all your questions so far on the sharpening of the clipper blade using super hard manual sharpening stone. Can you see them? I'm still going up again so that you can be able to be seeing them. When you scroll down, you scroll. When you scroll down, you scroll. You continue searching. Any question you design, just be looking at the topic. Read the topics. You will see the one that match the answer to your question. Any type of question you design down on the sharpening stone, on the sharpening of the clipper blade, even in tutorial or barbing, you will see different type of videos there, valuable videos that are very useful. Yeah, can you see that video? I want you to watch it very well. That is why I'm telling you that you go back to my whole thing.
Let us watch carefully and see the way the sharpening is going. Yeah, the upper blade is sharpening correctly now. Now look at the way I want to sharpen the bottom blade. Look at the way I position my thumb. See where I've just started. I want to sharpen the other side too now. I'm putting the treatment to cover the whole surface. Can you see it? Let us watch carefully. I'm trying to clean the inner surface for me to be able to study the inner surface very well. Can you see? Look at the left hand side. When you watch, that place I'm pointing at the other side too, can you see that black area, that black portion I'm showing you? By the left hand side and the right hand side too. Can you see it? those are the areas remain to cover by the sharpening now. Follow me bumper to bumper. I'm trying to spread the treatment to cover the whole surface again. Yeah, you see the place I'm pointing. You see the way I position my blade. See where I'm pointing. That is the place I'm going to position my thumb. Can you see the way I position my thumb? Let the pressure be on that area. Let's go. Try to watch carefully. The number of throw and flow movement you count in the first side, you still have to repeat the same number to and fro counting for the other side too. Can you see? For the first side, that side it seems that cover up. Remain this side I'm pointing now. Let us go again. Don't forget to put your treatment to cover the whole surface. Then can you see the wonderful work this small stone is performing for me? Can you see? You follow it step by step. That area, the second area I'm trying to correct, I'm trying to sharpen. Look at the way I position my thumb. Let us check now. I'll show you now. You can be able to see. Can you see? It's still leaving a little portion there. Can you see that black area? Remain that black area. That area I'm pointing. Try to reapply your treatment to cover the whole surface. Can you see the area I'm pointing? That is the area I want to sharpen now. See the way I position my thumb. Can you see it? Follow me up bumper to bumper. Follow me up very well. Yeah. Can you see it? Yeah, look at the surface now. Look from the left hand side to the right hand side, from right hand side to the left hand side, then look from the back. The sharpening starts immediately after the O. Can you see that back O? The two O's. The sharpening starts from the in front of that back O to the front. Can you see now? I've tested it. Can you see? Look at the inner surface now. I have tested it with MASTERbarbers OttE free hand testing styling method. This is GTS clipper blade. Can you see the way I've just sharpened it very fast now? Can you see the inner surface now? When you sharpen your clipper blade and you are able to test it and get this kind of result, you are a real professional.
Yeah, can you see it now? That is why I am saying you should subscribe to my channel, press the notification button, log into all my old videos, go and watch them. You see the way I corrected that error? Can you see it? That is why I am saying my old videos are valuable too. I produce my films to solve the problem in sharpening field. Yeah, when you get back to them, you watch them, you can be able to acquire at least 80% knowledge from there. You now be watching new ones to add to top up the knowledge you have gotten from the old films. Yeah, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, press the notification button and watch all my old videos. Subscribe. Thank you.